give a special thanks to Mattel for sending these products to us for free. What's up, Fabs and Besties? Here is a My Froggy Stuff Buyer's Guide, where we take a look at what's on the shelves so you can decide if it's a buy or a pass. Today, we are taking a look at Barbie Color Reveal Sand and Sun series. Online, we have seen these priced at $14.99. On the front, it says there are 7 surprises. There are 5 different dolls to collect. We need water to reveal the doll. In this series, it looks like they have a marble kind of effect. We can use cold water to bring out highlights in their hair and details on the accessories. We get a pair of shoes, a cover-up, and a beach towel. Kind of excited about that cover-up and beach towel because those are accessories that we can use with other dolls. We are going to reveal 5 today. Hopefully we have the whole set. The little product numbers on the top do appear to be different, so yay! Pull the tab on the side to remove the plastic. We can see that everything is individually wrapped inside. So let's remove the top, take out what is inside. We have 5 plastic bags. 4 of them say do not put underwater. And we have a paper collector's guide that has instructions on the back. I love trying to guess which doll it is, and I can already tell that this is one of the dolls with the little space buttons. And if you can figure out which accessories you have, you know exactly which doll is inside. But if you know which doll correlates with the little product number, that will take away from the guesswork as well. Remove the doll from the package. She's a bubblegum pink and a light pink with a swirl pattern on the front, and it's a solid color on the back. This doll does not come with a wig and instead has a sculpted hairstyle, which I don't mind. Before you start coming for me, I know that can be an unpopular opinion in the doll world, but hey, I like what I like. However, I do wish that the heads were a little more squishy to make it easier for body swaps. Because, yeah, there's like no squish here. And I would have liked to have seen this pattern go all the way around. That's just a personal preference of mine. I'm kind of a stickler for continuation. But I guess that's really not a big thing because we're gonna wash it all off anyway, so. But before we do, let's just see them all together. It looks like art. Y'all know I am a total sci-fi nerd. One day I fully plan on just spray painting them and keeping them this way to be my clones. Sorry, that was supposed to be a sinister laugh. I think I failed. Let's just take the doll back out of the tube, stand it straight up, fill it with water, take the doll, place it inside of the water, and swish it around. Ooh, the water's turning pink and cloudy. I think my water's a little on the cold side and warm water seems to work a little better, so we'll have to do that next time. But we are now ready for the grand reveal! Voila! I use a towel to dry them off. This doll is pretty tan. It has blonde hair, styled into 2 little buns, hazel eyes, a pink lip color, a painted on white bathing suit with colorful palms, the basic 5 points of articulation with movement at the head, the shoulder, and the hip. They do not go out to the side, only forward and back. Let's take a look at those accessories. The top is perforated so we can just easily open it. And inside we find the cover-up. Oh, that's cute! It's kind of see-through with stripes and orange stitching. It looks like some pretty simple sewing here. There's no seam for the arm. Let's place it onto the doll. And there you go. Pretty much does what it was designed to do, and we can use it with other Barbie dolls. I would love it if the bathing suits were also removable. Let's open this small one next. Where's the little perforated edge? Oh, there it is. Inside, we have a pair of sunglasses. They are clear with a flower-like frame. And in this bag, we have shoes, and they're bright green. And they are a little see-through. In the last bag, we find the beach towel, which matches her bathing suit and everything. This fabric feels pretty similar to most of the Barbie bedding that is included in playsets. And that's our first Barbie color reveal doll from the Sand and Sun series. If we lay the doll on the towel reaches from the top of her head to about the back of her knees. Let's open up the other one who has the same hairstyle with those two little buns. This time we are adding warm water. Then in she goes. And let's see if this goes a little faster. Cloudy pink water. Oops. Come on. Swish around, and she's done. I'm not sure if it was faster, but I think it was. This doll has brown hair, brown eyes, a pink lip color, wears a purple bathing suit with flowers. Her first surprise is a purple visor to match her bathing suit. I think this is her shoes. Yep, wow, those are yellow. They are translucent as well, with texture on the heels. It might be fun to paint the heels a light brown for a little contrast. This might be another fashion accessory. Yep, it's a little wrap for around her waist, and it has colorful dots with purple stitching. There is no Velcro or anything. We're supposed to tie it at the waist. It's not terribly difficult, and I think it fits pretty good. Last but not least, here is our towel. Ooh, that one's pretty. It's purple with tropical flowers, just like her bathing suit. I think it's pretty fun how everything is coordinated. Here is doll number 3, cool hairdo. Add warm water to the container and fill it to the line. Allow the doll to take a bath. Whee! To reveal the next doll in this collection. Look at that. Neat hair right out of the water. Only in a Barbie world. Her eyes and lips are pretty clean. I'm not seeing any pixelation. She has brown curly hair swept up into a curly mohawk. Wears a yellow bathing suit with colorful stars. In her first surprise, we find shoes. Hot pink, translucent shoes. And then we have a little belt bag. It's orange, matches her bathing suit, and even has those little stars on it. Then we have another wrap. I think those are pineapples and suns. And it also ties around her waist. Her last surprise is... Oops. There we go. Her last one is the towel. A perfect match for her bathing suit. This one is pretty easy to identify since it's the only character with this hairstyle. Let's prepare the water and let her go for a swim. Close up. Look at that. And here's Barbie. She has sculpted blonde hair. It's short and cut to the jawline with a bun on top. She has blue eyes, pink lipstick, wears a teal flamingo bathing suit. This one feels like her shoes. They are teal as well. It's a wedge shoe with carved details. This should be one of her accessories. And we have another little belt purse or hip bag. It's pink and you can see a little leaf on the front. In this bag, we have a short sleeve cover-up that has, I think those are leaves printed on it, and there is pink stitching going around the edges. It's a nice little contrast to the teal bathing suit. And in our last little mystery bag, we have the towel. Definitely one of my favorite parts. It's teal with pink flamingos to match the bathing suit. Last but not least, we have another girl with a curly mohawk. You know the drill. Fill up the container with warm water. Allow the doll to take a dive, then swish it around, then reveal the doll. Aw, she has freckles. She has red curly hair pulled up into that curly mohawk, green eyes, freckles, a pink lip color. She wears a pink bathing suit with colorful dots. Let's go ahead and check out those shoes. They are very orange and translucent, but I do like the style. They are pretty chunky at the bottom with an open toe. In here we will find another accessory. She has a pair of sunglasses. They are clear with pink frosted lenses. I don't know about you, but I like those clear frames. Up next, we have... Ooh, it's orange. It's another short sleeve cover-up. It looks like there are little palm trees on it, and it has white stitching. Our very last surprise is a towel. I like the print. It reminds me of pebbles. It's a lighter shade of pink than what's on her bathing suit, but it still gets the job done. Personally, I like the beach theme since these dolls come with bathing suits painted on. They each have more color revealed details, but they don't come with sponges like earlier series. So I'm using a little ice, which is pretty cold, to reveal those changes. Look at that, her glasses go from a soft pink to a hot pink, and we can change her hair color. Can you see that? We have like some little green colored highlights starting to show up. Okay, and if you're not feeling those highlights or just want to change it back, we can use a little warm water to go back to her natural color. We can use the ice on the other doll's accessories. We have a little leaf there. We can reveal some details on the top of her hat. Little blue dots. The stars on her bag change color, as well as the rim of her glasses. We're just coloring with ice. It's very, very cold. If you have a sponge from earlier seasons or one in your house, I would suggest using that instead. We are left with all of these little plastic bags, and I was thinking there's gotta be some way we could reuse them. Maybe if we fold one in half and cut out like half of an oval shape, we can make a little shopping bag. You know, if you're interested. I mean, you just have to learn to deal with that. If this was like the Barbie logo, it would be so cool. Overall, the towels and the little cover-ups are definitely my favorite pieces. I would love to see towels, matching bathing suits, and accessories in a fashion pack. Just throwing that out there. Let us know in the comments down below if these dolls are a buy or a pass. Thank you for joining us while we took a look at Barbie Color Reveal Sand and Sun series. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Instagram at MyFroggyStuff and the Frog Vlog. And we will see you next time.